Alright, there is the 8th step, or better known as octopus. So what I'm going to do here is, starting from my knees, I'm just going to jump, foot, and then I'm going to bring my hands over and go knee, knee. Okay? And then you'll see again, I switch my hands and go foot, and then bring my hands over and go knee, knee. Okay, so you'll see each time I'm doing this, I'm doing a quarter turn every time. I'm going 1, 2, then I'm going 3, 4. I'm doing a quarter turn every time. 5, 6, and your full circle ends right here. 7, 8. There you have it. Make sure you practice. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. Peace.